Today we're gonna correct the students' work. I thought it would be very helpful to see some of the mistakes that we always make, and then we'll correct from there. Alright, so this is a student sample. If you look at this one-point perspective, this is one of the well-done work, so there is nothing to fix. Of course, nothing is perfect. Right, here's a sample. So comparing to the previous work, some of the mistake that he made was the angles. Everything, the reason that we are using the graph paper, because we can follow those vertical lines and horizontal lines correctly. So this is, the first box is all done correctly, but the rest of the side didn't follow the rule. All corners were connected to the vanishing point, except this is a little bit off, but you really want to make the vanishing point small, not huge, because the angles that connects is somewhat different. So parallel to this line, it should have been this way, right? So parallel to that, and from that point, the line should have been gone down this way, making it parallel to this one, right? So that means here's the vertical line that you should follow. Same thing here. Looks like didn't use the ruler, so it should have been stay straight like that. And then this should have been from that corner parallel to this and connected this way, right? And same thing here. See this vertical line, it should follow that, and then this is almost done correctly. It just didn't follow the line correctly. So this one, if you continue this block, stack them up, then it should have go this way, right? From that corner, you do that, right? So it goes on and on. See the line that's tilted? It should have been all parallel to this, this, and that. And then the same thing, parallel to that. So this parallel, 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 parallel to that. All right, so that's things that is done wrong. This one's pretty good. And the same mistake here. So this one is done correctly, parallel to that, but from that corner should have been gone this way and making it parallel to this one, right? And same thing. So this is a very common mistake that many students make. You have to remember that block, when you're looking at the block, this side and this side, these are parallel to each other, parallel to each other. So if you have a block here, see this block? See this part is this, and this part is that. So it should have been parallel to each other. Same thing here, right? This one, and then this one there. It just you are creating this big the form, three-dimensional form following to the vanishing point. So only the difference between this real thing and this one is it gets reduced following the proportion. Okay. All right. So this sample, there are a few things that he needs to adjust. Of course, didn't separate into the box, so we cannot say that he did it. He knows how to do it or not. But make sure that using the ruler and these lines should have been straight. Right? Even though you are using the graph paper, always use the ruler to make all the lines straight. And this is the something that I missed. If some lines are on horizon line, then this follows the horizon line. You don't see the bottom. If you have object that's above the horizon line, you will see the bottom. That's the worm's eye view. If horizon line here and the objects are below, you will see the top. That's a bird's eye view. Make sure that the vanishing point, making it small so you don't have a different area from here to here connecting it, just to the small vanishing point only. Okay. Next one, same mistake as before. So the previous initial square box is correctly done, but this one needs to be parallel to that. So it's a little bit off because it didn't use the ruler. Same thing here, parallel to that. So slightly off. The vertical line is a little bit better than the horizontal lines. Same thing here. Right? This one is wrong, and this one parallel to each other. Same thing here. So follow the logic of this, then it will help you. Right? Parallel to each other. Right? So this is the most common mistake that a lot of students make. This one is pretty good. He even tried the shapes that you don't see behind. So if you want to do the box that's inside, then connect these first. The corners that goes behind. Then from there you connect, right? And then from there you connect. And then from there you finish the box. Then that's the box that's behind, right? The front, and this green box is the one that's behind. Okay. Same thing here. Before you finish this part, make sure that you connect the corner to the vanishing point first, and then you connect these. Same thing here. The reason for this connection is this, right? See that it's slightly off from here, so you make less mistake by doing that. This one a little bit off. This is the vanishing point. It should have been going this way. Alright, I don't think he didn't know how to do this. It's just he rushed into. So make sure that follow the proper steps before you rush into anything. Here he did almost right. So always when you have a box that goes into the horizon line, then people gets a little confused. Oh, should I put the little box that shows on the side or not, right? And this is a big mistake. This corner should have been connecting to the vanishing point. So that's a lot of parts that's off. So this is the correct one, right? And that's the corner, and then should have been connected that way. I always make sure that you use the ruler. So these little things that you try to making it better, then at the end you're going to have much better design that you can create. Okay. All right. Then this corner is here. Then should have been gone this way, parallel to that. All right. So hope you make less mistake by watching this video, and always make sure they follow the proper steps to make the correct design.